LED work light. The Energizer Rechargeable Spotlight is lightweight, compact and powerful, making it a great tool for work and DIY projects. A USB cable comes included for easy charging. Hands-free light. Just sit down this LED spotlight and point it where you need bright light. The folding light stand converts for easy, hands-free use. Great for outdoor work. This spotlight is water-resistant to keep shining through bad weather and casts a powerful beam to illuminate outdoor work areas. Far-reaching beam. This rechargeable LED light emits 600 lumens on high mode with a beam reaching 1017 feet to see far ahead. Extreme durability. Count on this rugged rechargeable light to perform in tough work environments with IPX4 water resistance and impact resistance up to 3 feet. Large push button. Operate this handheld spotlight wearing work gloves with the large push button. Top reviews from the United States. Small but strong. I bought this to replace a similar Spotlight ID for several years and that no longer would hold a charge. When it arrived I saw it was much smaller than the one I had before and I feared such a small unit wouldn't last long before requiring recharging. But it turns out this one is better in every way than my old one. It produces a very bright and concentrated beam of light and lights things up at quite some distance. If you squeeze the trigger again, it provides a dimmer light more suitable for close-up work. The battery also lasts quite a while. I've not carefully measured it, but I used it to complete a project outside at night and it never seemed to get any dimmer for the 10 minutes or so I had it on. So being smaller, it also is quite a bit lighter and easier to carry around. I am very glad I bought it.